Hello, friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome in this self transformation journey in 365 days. Month 3, habit and discipline. And week 3, growth habits for inner strength. And today is day 80. And the topic is sleep discipline. My dear friends, everybody need energy and more energy. What needed? More focus, more clarity. But are you respecting your sleep? You push your limits every day, but without proper rest, your body slowly breaks down. Let me tell you something important today. Two people live their lives, same work, same responsibilities, same pressure, but completely different performance. The first person sleeps late every night, scrolling, watching, overthinking. He tells himself just a little more time. And you know what happens? Sleeps become irregular. Rest become incomplete. Days pass, months pass, and slowly his energy starts dropping. He wakes up tired, feels heavy, struggles to focus. His mood becomes unstable. His productivity falls. He tries harder, but his body is exhausted. His mind is foggy. He wants success, but ignores recovery. While the second person lives the same life, same work, same stress, but one disciplined habit. What is that? He respects his sleep. Every night he prepares to rest. No late scrolling, no unnecessary distractions. He creates a calm routine, goes to the bed on right time every day, allows his body to recover. At first, it feels restrictive. He feels like he's missing out, but he stays consistent day by day, night by night, and slowly everything changes. He wakes up refreshed, his minds become clear. Days pass, week pass, month pass. One person's become drained, the other becomes powerful. Same life, different rest, different energy, different results. So success is not built only in action, it is built in recovery. So my dear friends, your performance depends on your rest. If you ignore sleep, you will lose energy. If you respect sleep, you will gain power. The difference between burnout and peak performance is not effort, it is recovery. So, sleep is not luxury. It is what? It is necessity. So, when you sleep well, your body repairs, your brain resets, your energy restores, and sleep improves your focus and also decision making, emotional balance. And without proper sleep, your mind performance drops. Your mind becomes unclear, your emotions become unstable, and with the disciplined sleep, you think better, you act stronger, you live better. So, you don't need more time, you need what? You need better rest. So, my dear friends, sleep on time and rise with power. Ritual based exercise, sleep discipline routine. 10 minutes, want to know it? Write in the comment, share RB, or just drop me a message on my mobile number 9818568152. With your name and location, I will share it to you. Or join the self transformation group. There, every morning, I am sharing this ritual based exercise. People ask me why it works. My dear friends, when you sleep properly, you wake up without alarm, you restore energy, your brain function improves, your mood stabilizes, and your focus enhances. And then what happens? It boosts your performance. Now, the affirmation for the day on today's topic is with hand on the heart, eye closed, peace of mind. I respect my body need for rest. I sleep with discipline and peace. My rest creates my strength. And my dear friends, before sleeping every day, just do a self reflection. Ask questions with you. Did I sleep on time today? How did I feel after waking up? What can I improve tonight? And At the end, my dear friends, if you want better performance, start respecting your sleep. Don't sacrifice rest for temporary distractions. Follow this 365 days journey and build a powerful, balanced life. So, my dear friends, let us start transforming this journey of ourselves, and let us make our country great again. And with our knowledge, wisdom, enjoyment, and celebration, let us ensure our contribution in this life, because recovery is not weakness, it is the strength in preparation. So, with this, my dear friends, thank you, thank you, thank you, and have a wonderful